Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment. Install Mode or open the web workspace and connect to your database. You must confirm credentials, host, port, and SQL dialect so queries run correctly. Once done, create or pick a project and a dataset to scope your work. Make sure to create an initial query file and save it with a clear name. This ensures reproducibility and lets you run the next steps without delay. You now write the core SQL. Prefer CTEs and explicit schema. Table references to keep queries readable and portable. Add parameters for dates or ID, set sensible defaults, and validate types so mode renders controls correctly. Once done, use limit and explain to test performance, and run a preview to inspect results without impacting full tables. Make sure to save iterations and document assumptions in comments so collaborators understand intent. You finalize by converting query results into visualizations and configuring aggregations and formats for clarity. Once done, schedule automated runs, configure alerts or emails, and store snapshots for auditability. Make sure to version your query and link visuals to the correct dataset. If something goes wrong, inspect mode run logs, review the query plan and parameter values, and rerun with limit to reproduce the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.